Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to export a single image or a single frame from DaVinci Resolve. It's a very easy process, so let's get into it. So to do that, go to color tab when you have the footage there in the timeline, and then choose the frame you want to export. For an example, if we want to export this frame, then or you can go one frame forward, backward, like that as well. Whenever you are happy, just right click on the frame and select grab still. So as you can see, we have got an image here. Now right click on it and export. Name it whatever you want. You can change the image format here and then hit export. So this is the still picture. So friends, this is how you can simply export a single picture from DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.